Hello guys, welcome back to famous YouTube channel to watch more videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on face recognition, such as face recognition with name, our previous video long back ago. Then our latest video was face recognition with name and ID. Then face emotion recognition using fear and deep face library. I had done a lot of videos on this topic and many more videos on machine learning. Today's video is really innovative. So for that, let us go through the work out the final Python file. First four statements are the inputting required libraries for the program. The next statement, face underscore recognizer is equal to cv2.face.lbh. It is used for to capture the images. Then load the train model, this statement. Then predicted names 0, dictionary names and Sachin Dhanman and Sanjay Mahajan. Then start the webcam. Then while infinite loop it is true. The next statement, ret minus comma test underscore image is equal to cap read. It is used for capture frame and return boolean value of the captured image. Then face detected, for loop, face detected. Then face detection, cv2.resize. Then this is the size of the frame. Then wait key 1. Then again the for loop. It is for the face has been, the label is there, that confidence and label is Sanjay Mahajan, and draw rectangle around the face. Then predicted label of the given image. So confidence should be that part. Then put text on that this part, and then resize the frame, same 1700. Then face recognition and press Q to exit the while loop. We are told previously that is for while loop is infinite loop. Then stop the webcam from recording, close the webcam and close all window. Now I will execute the program for face recognition on the terminal. Yes, it is detecting and also it is recognizing it. Yes, here it is recognizing it. Yes, it is recognizing it. So I have successfully done with face recognition using webcam. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. We will back with more videos on machine learning using Python. Thank you very much.